Good afternoon, everyone. I have just muted all of you just for the sake of not disturbance. I hope you all understand. We can have the conversation on the chat. Please reply me if all of you are comfortable with it. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Yes, you can unmute yourself when you want to say something. You have the opportunity for that also. Thanks for replying. So let's start with the session. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our highly anticipated webinar, Math Magic, exploring concepts with 3 T's. And I'm your host, Jasjit Kaur, and I'm thrilled to have you all here today. Congratulations to all of you for making the right decision to join us today. The 3 T's, which we are discussing in this is their Math Magic, exploring concepts with tricks, tales, and brain teasers. So, I would love to know where our wonderful audience is joining us today. I am from Delhi, the capital of India. So please take a moment to comment and let us know which city you are tuning from. I'm waiting for your replies. Volume is low. Let me check. Now reply. Is it okay? Is it okay? Good, good. Am I audible properly? Yes, thank you. Thanks for replying. Thanks, Panu ma'am. Okay, so I am having the participants from the Bhuvnesh, Bulandshahr, Uttar Pradesh, Bhopal, Kerala, Chandigarh, Delhi. Thank you, Hyderabad. So many educators and parents are from the Hyderabad. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Ludhiana, Gurgaon, Chennai. Thank you. Thanks for replying. Okay, so I'm having 3 questions with you. First of all, what challenges do you currently face in teaching mathematics? What strategies are you seeking to learn? And what specific topics or the areas of the math instructions are you most interested in exploring? Share your views in the chat box. From the Noida, great, great. What challenges do you face? Forgetting basics, fear of math, perfect. Phobia of math, developing interest in students, correct. Problem solving, good. Abstract nature of maths, perfect, very true. Understanding concepts, perfect, perfect, superb, superb. Developing interest in mathematics, good. Experience learning, good. Calculate skill, silly mistakes, very true. So, how we are going to, thanks everyone. Good afternoon, Vasi ma'am. Thank you, welcome for the session. So, how we can overcome the challenges? First of all, let's see the lack of challenge, lack of student engagement. We all know that many students, they struggle to stay engaged and interested in math lessons, leading to lack of motivation and participations. So for that, can you let me know what are the solutions or what we can help them out in overcome the lack of student engagement? Playway techniques, perfect. Relating maths with real life application, very true. Meenakshi ma'am, Kumari Sona ma'am, Sonia ma'am, very good. Learning by doing, yes. So active learning strategies can greatly enhance students' engagement and understanding of the math concepts. Very true, Shikha ma'am. Now the next challenge, what the students they are facing, as you all know and you have shared in the chat box also, that math anxiety and the fear. We all know that some students experience math anxiety and fear when it comes to specifically in the maths, and which hinders their learning progress and the confidence. So any suggestions how to overcome with this solution, with this challenge? Yes, very true. Using manipulatives is also a great tool. Learning through activities, perfect. Any other one? Yes, activity based. So math anxiety is a common issue that many students face, which can hinder their ability to learn and perform well in the mathematics. So creating a supportive environment and implementing effective techniques can help elevate math anxiety, build students' confidence, and promote success in the maths. I hope you all are with me. Yes, very true. Are you all with me that whatever I am saying is correct? Good. Thank you. And the next and the foremost challenge is their difficulty in conceptual understanding. So students often struggle to grasp complex math concepts, leading to gaps in their understanding and difficulty applying maths. So through the E&F method, we will delve into the effective strategies for breaking down complex concepts into more manageable parts, helping students develop a deeper and more solid conceptual understanding of the mathematics. So are you ready to delve into the exciting webinar where you will learn valuable strategies and techniques to master math magic without tearing and fear? Using these, that's great. Thank you. Thanks for giving the response. And what strategies are you seeking to learn? We are going to learn here is breaking down the complex concepts, engaging hands-on activities, and building the confidence and the growth mindsets. So this webinar is designed for educators, teachers, and math enthusiasts who are passionate about enhancing their math skills, teaching skills, and want to unlock the secrets of teaching math without tears and fears. During the webinar, we kindly request you to kindly actively engage by asking questions, sharing insights, and participation. In the discussions to make most of this learning experience. However, please refrain from sharing personal contact information or engaging in any form of the behavior that may hinder the smooth flow of the session. So let's create a respectful and a collaborative environment for everyone to benefit from this webinar. Let's move to the next. To make the most of this webinar, we recommend the following these instructions. Have a notepad to jot down the important points, insights, key points, and any questions that arise during the sessions. This will help you stay organized and retain valuable information. Second, keep a water bottle to stay hydrated throughout the webinar. And third is to log in through the laptop. So as per the statistical data, we come to know that 82% students of the classes 7 to 10, they are fearful of math survey. It is published in the Education Today, and a survey was conducted by QMath that has revealed that 82% students of the class 7 to 10 are fearful. Only one in the 10 students, they are confident about their math ability. So can you share me your views that why all 9 students are not comfortable? They are not confident about their math ability? Okay. The stratlings of this findings from the QMS survey highlight 3 significant reasons or the benefits behind the chosen webinar topic. That is the theory where children are still not able, good yet concepts, true, facing problems in basics, perfect. So this is all because of the math of fear and anxiety, correct, lack of confidence, and learning engagement. By addressing these challenges head on, the webinar seeks to empower educators with the practical tools to transform the way math is taught, creating a supportive and inspiring learning environment for the students. And above all, we have an exciting announcement for you. If you stay tuned and actively participate in the webinar until the very end, you will have a chance to win a gift worth rupees 5,000. So make sure to stick around your valuable insights, engaging discussions, and the opportunity to win this fantastic reward. Are you all with me? Thank you. We all know that mathematics has been often a subject that instills fear and anxiety both in students and those who teach it. But fear not, today we are introducing you to the transformative E&F method that will revolutionize the way you approach teaching and learning mathematics. By the end of this webinar, you will be equipped with a comprehensive set of tools and techniques to make math enjoyable, engaging, and accessible to all. Before we dive into the much awaited webinar, I kindly request all of you to comment and show your support by giving me permission to start and share valuable insights. Your active participation and enthusiasm will make this session even more engaging and rewarding. So please take a moment to grant me permission to begin with the webinar. Type PG in the chat box if you are giving permission, granting permission to me. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So I bring to my expertise as a founder of Math for Parents and Educators, and as a mathematics educator with a long-standing association with the QMath since 2017. Over the years, I have accumulated a wealth of knowledge and experience in the field. Additionally, I have obtained several notable certifications, including being a master trainer at the All India Educator Forum, a Google certified educator, an Adobe certified creative educator, an international certified mathematics educator, an international certified Vedic math trainer. So with these diverse range of qualifications, I'm excited to guide you through an engaging and insightful webinar experience. Before we delve into the power of E&F method, let's hear what others have to say about their experience using our approach. These are the few testimonials shared by the parents and the educators, that after getting into the curriculum, they are achieving so much from their inputs. Even the students, they achieved 100 out of 100, or they achieved the third position, in the top 3% of their state, that is the Florida in US, as I'm taking the classes from the international students also from US, Canada, Singapore and all. Now, these are the small tricks which we are using for the grade kindergarten. We know that we have facing the problems basically for the students of the kindergarten. So we want to help them to know that what exactly it is there, that how to go for the counting tricks, number recognitions, shape and recognitions. So counting, there are different ways to help them count the object using the fingers, toys, other visual aids. So examples, we can say the counting figures from 1 to 5. I'll show with one example that how we can work for the counting tricks. Then the number recognition is there, techniques for recognizing and identifying the numbers. We can also help the kids by doing so with the help of identifying the matching the number of the object with the corresponding numeral. Then shape recognitions, it is the best way for the students to identifying the shapes such as the circles, squares, triangles, the sorting objects by the shape. So first of all, let's see the fun way to count the object using the fingers. This is the classic method, which we all know, that while choosing the fingers, we can show them that this is the 1, 2, and 3 by using the fingers. Now, how we can help them to move to the new techniques or the different ways we can cover for it. First one is counting toys or objects. We can give them the toys, we can give them the objects, we can ask them to count 1 to 5 or till 1 to 10, or even more, we can go for them to learn from this. The next is counting with the movement. When we are using the jumps or the clappings, we can help them. We are moving our hands. We are showing them that how we can work with us. We just say clap 1, 2, 3. So with the help of this, we can explain the students that count how many claps are there. This is the movement with the hand. When we ask the students to, in a playway method, we have to learn this, explain the student the concept so that they can easily learn. So ask them to jump. How many jumps are there? So they are easily ready to go for it. Am I correct? Is this a playway method helpful for the students? Yes, raising hands is also good. Perfect, perfect. So many techniques are there. We can help the students to work on it. The next is their counting songs and the rhymes. When we all know that math is everywhere and math is music also. So when we inculcate the students with the techniques of different ways, they easily learn. Now counting for number songs is there. Once I caught a fish alive. So sing the tune of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We love counting all the time. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we count back down again. So in this rhythm, they will come to know and they will learn the counting from 1 to 10. Similarly, we can go for the counting with the rhymes. Show me 5 fingers. Let me see. Show me 4 fingers. Touch your knee. So in this way, the student come to know that what exactly the parts of the body is there, and with that, they will understand and recognize the counting procedures also. Counting in the environment is another trick. We can use it while we are moving, we are going somewhere, we are sitting in the park, we are sitting in a shop, or we are going to the purchasing something. We can explain the students just what is the counting it is. Find how many flowers are there in the garden, how many students they are playing, how many children are playing. So in this way, we can help the students to counting in the environment. So these are the small tricks we can help with the students for the grade kindergarten. Similarly, we are using the tricks for the grade 1 also. In the addition tricks, We all know that simple addition strategies like counting on fingers or using the number lines. We can help them to understand the concepts by using the number lines also, by using the fingers also. Different ways are there. We can help them to make us engaging finger number line with the different objects. So let them understand the concept for that. Similarly, we can go for the subtraction tricks, that we can also help them that addition tricks means we have to move forward. And for the subtraction trick, we have to move backward. So if we are taking one step ahead, it means we are adding. We are moving one step back, it means we are taking away. We are subtracting it. So by visual aids or by counting backward, we can help them to understand the subtraction technique. Time concepts is there. You can help them to understand matching the clock hands with the time given there. Now this is the techniques for grade 1. Now let's see about the grade 2. In the grade 2, we have started up with the grade in multiplication tricks in the grade 1. But in the grade 2, we will help them to understand simple way of multiplication by using the skip counting to find the product of the numbers. Simple, take the example. If you are having 3 balls and you have you are the 4 friends and 3 balls are with you, with everyone. So count how many total balls are there. So they will understand that 3 and 4. The other method for multiplication is a repeated addition, we all know. So we can help the children to understand the concepts of multiplication. We can explain them the concepts of multiplication by using the skip counting also, by using the repeated additions also, or by helping them to give them the word problems in a simple way. Similar is the process of division tricks. Backward, we know, taking away, repeated subtraction, or sharing objects equally among an equal number of the people. Just like in multiplication, we are going to times is there, and in this we are sharing equally. Similarly, in the concepts of money skills, we help them to understand different coins or different currency notes is there, or we can help them to go for the shopping and let them understand the basic concepts of money and what they will do and purchase the things from them. In the grade 3, the tricks will comes about the place value tricks. It's really an important aspect for the mathematics students. They were struggling about the place values and the face values. So we have to take care of it, let them understand what is the place value and the face value. Just give them a simple example of the face value is there, that let's see in the park we are playing, and if someone call you, they will call you by your, any guesses what's that? They call you by your, if the student, by yourself, by your name. That's true. So we can say that this is your face recognition. So similarly, the digit given in the question is itself is the face value of that digit. Am I correct? Similarly, we have to explain the concept of the place value. The face value is the recognition of that particular digit, and the place value where they are holding the place of that time. Suppose the 3 is at the tens place. So what do you understand by 3 tens? So 3 times 10 is the 30. Ask them the questions. How many ones are there in 1 tens? How many tens are there in 100s? So in this way, they will understand the concepts of the place value. Next concept is for the fractions. Now, introduction of the fractions and their basic operations are there in the grade 3, we all. So we will not let them take it a fear that what is there. Explain them in a very simple way. Nothing is there. We are having one ball, or we are having one circular pizza is there. And how many members are there in a family? Suppose we are having 4 members in a family, and we want to give them equally. Give them the concept of the division. How will you do? Divide into the 4. Now you want to take We want everyone one part of it. So kindly rejoin with the session again if it will be end up, because we are having a time for just 10 minutes in this session. Please rejoin again. So the concept for the fraction is there. We first of all, we explain the concept of division. Now ask them what are the total number of the parts. There are 4 parts and you are taking one part. So 1 of 4 is there. So 1/4 is there. 1 will be your numerator, which you are taking. 4 is the denominator, the whole part of it, the total of whole part. So this is a fraction. Nothing is there to be worried, isn't it? Next is the concept of the measurement tricks. So we can help them the converting the units of the measurement, and such as with the help of the ruler measurements, or through the kindergarten, we can help them with the help of the hand spans also. They are easily understand the concept of the measurement also. Similarly, it is for the grade 4. We have the concept of the geometry and advanced technique, other recognitions for the concept is there, including the polygons and the symmetry. Till grade 3, they will come to know what is the circle, square, triangle, 2D shapes are there. And now we have learned the same things. The squares, they are the polygons itself, but we are using them the new terminology, that is the polygons and the symmetry. So let them understand the concept, that the concept 2D or the shapes, what you are doing is the same. Just correlate with them. Understand the concepts of symmetry in the various shapes using the polygons. Explain them the concepts of the polygons, open polygons, closed polygons. Then decimals is there. Let them understand the concept very easily. Don't let them panic. Do for the simple addition. Instead of that, if we are going to use for the measurement, meters and centimeters we have taken into this. Just put that point in between the measure and centimeter. Why we are putting it the point in it? Because they are 2 different units. So we have to differentiate it. After explaining the concepts like this, let them understand the concept of addition, and they will come to know the concept of the decimal also. Similarly, the concepts of taking away as well as the adding away. Then concept comes for the data analysis, organizing and interpreting the data by using the different graphs, and everything is there. For the grade 5, now it's a concept. They are moving from grade 4 to grade 5. They are learning the concepts of the PAMDAS or the BODMAS. Let them feel free to grasp the concept of what the meaning of the BODMAS is. They did all the concepts till grade 4. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Explain the concepts of the acronym of the BODMAS. You have to simply take care of the rules of the orders of the operations. This is only the way we can help the students. We don't let them take it into a fear that how we can cover up with these things. Next comes the fractions and decimals. We know the fractions, let them convert into the decimals. Then the geometry tricks are there. Shapes of angles, shapes, angles, or basic concepts are there. Finding them the missing angles in the concept is there. So we can also explain them that in the polygon, the number of sides and number of the angles, they are the same. If in a rectangle, we are having 4 sides, so we are having the 4 angles also. So they will not think that it is something different. We are learning a new thing. So till now, let me know any questions from your end. What are the T's used here? T's used means the tricks, tails, and the teasers. I'm just explaining right now the tricks, how we are helping them, the students show, ma'am. Now this is the another trick we are taking care of for the multiplying by the 6. So in this, you will explain the student the concept that what it is. You yourself think that multiplying by 6. If you multiply 6 by any even number, the answer will end with the same digit. And the number in the tens place will be the half of the number in the ones place. If you want to try anyone apart from the given example. Yes, ma'am, please let me know what's your question with real MC50. Please tell the tricks for rounding of numbers. Okay. When we are going to for the rounding off, we have just to go for them the explain the concepts in the suppose you have to move to the on a mountain floor. So when we are reaching at the center point at the point 5, let's say the counting for 1 to 10. When we are curving it like this, in the center we are at the 5. So from 0 to 4 our numbers are there. It means you have to stay there only. You don't have to move to the jump to the other number. And if it is above 5, then you have to move to the add one number to the previous number. Suppose we have to round off 37. Now we have to round off to the nearest tens. So nearest tens means we have to take care of the 3, but we have to look at the ones place, not at the tens place. For the ones place, it is number 7, and 7 is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to the 3, and for the ones place, let it be 0. And your rounding off will be 37 will be become the 40. Hope I'll able to explain your concept to you. Yes, ma'am. Please reply. If it is 24, we are on the number, we have to round off to the nearest 10. We are on the 2, and we have to think of 4. Again, 4 is less than 5. So remain there. 2 will remain there and 4 will become 0. So it will become 20. The next is there, the trick is there. Ask the students in a simple way. Think of a number. Let it be any number. Multiply it by 3. Try it yourself. Add 6. Divide this number by 3 and subtract the number from step 1, and you will get the answer in the same way. If you are adding 2, take a number of 2, multiply by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Adding 6 to is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Dividing by 3 is 4. Take away 4 from 6, which number I have thought, and your answer is 2. How is it? The next one is there, the rule of 11. Yes, this is the concept, that is the rounding of the rule of 11 is there. Simply, we can take up the example of 2 digit by 2 digit. Only the rule of 11 is there. Any number when you are multiplying by 11, tens digit and ones digit. First of all, let it the 1 digit remain the same. That's the example of 72 into 11. So 2 into 1 is 2. It will be not it is 2 into 1. Just simple put 2 here. No need to go for the multiplication. Ones place will be at the ones place. We are having 2-digit number, so answer will be in the 3 digits. So the 7 will be at the hundreds place. And in the tens place, add the both the digits. 7 plus 2 will be the 9. So your answer will be 792. Thank you, ma'am. The next is 57 into 11. Now, when we are thinking 7 at the ones place and 5 at the hundreds place, but in the center, we are getting 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. But we can't write 12 in the center. We have to use only 1-digit number. So that one will be add up to the 5. So your answer will become 627. Clear? Is the concept clear? Please reply. The rule of 11. Perfect. Thank you. Okay, we left with only less than 1 minute. So I am going to end the call, this one, and we will rejoin again. Please rejoin again. How was the session going on? Any guesses, any messages, any suggestions? Thank you. Thanks for giving the reply. I'll try. Welcome once again, everyone. Let's wait for another 1 minute. If anyone wants to rejoin again. Okay, without wasting time, let's move on. Now, the next is the finger multiplication tables. We all know that multiplication is very difficult for the students. So, we can explain them the multiplication tables with the help of the tricks, that is with the help of the fingers only. We can realize that a simple way to do the ninth multiplication is to place both the hands in front of you with the fingers and then thumbs extended. So multiply a number, fold down that number finger and count from the left of the it. Now just say, let me show you. Now this is, suppose we have to explain the concept of 9 times 5. So ask the student to fold the 5 and check what all numbers are there, fingers are there before 5. So we are having 4. What all fingers are there, count the number of the fingers after the 5. So we are having 5. So we know that 9 times 5 is 45. So it's easy to go for it. Krishna, am I audible to everyone? Krishna ma'am, please check your network issues.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for applying. Thank you. Thank you. Now, this is the concept till we have learned about the tricks. How much these tricks are useful for you? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. I hope you all will be using some of the tricks so you can create your own tricks like this. Now the topic concepts. Now the next topic is there about the tales, and tales means the story. So exploring the mathematical concepts through the stories. So we can help the students to understand the concepts of the stories, the concepts not through the story, not the concept of stories, but the mathematical concepts through the stories. So we can explain it with the take of example of a small counting adventures. We can help them to make them explain make the story of the magic forest. Let them understand what the forest is there. Move to there. How you can start your journey from there. Try to make the adventures in that. From where you can go to that place. What is the distance there? How many miles you have to move from one place to another? What is the communication? What is the mode of communication? How many members are required in that? How many teammates are there? What all requirements are there? So you can take the example. Young readers on journey through a forest filled with the magical creatures. Along the way, they can count the number of the fairies they may meet or the number of enchanted trees they pass. By incorporating counting in the storyline, children develop their own counting skills while being immersed in an engaging narrative. So this is where they can visualize in their dreams, in their way, and they can create their own story. They let them write in a way they want to be. Mistakes are there, don't discourage them. Let them say mistakes are okay. You try to write it down. I am there to help you out. Don't worry. With this simple concepts, I am with you. The students, they feel so much confident. During the pandemic, we know that students, they are facing very critical situations. And immediately after pandemic, post-pandemic, they are having so much pressure because they were facing the problem of writing itself. I hope you all are with me. You all are think the same way I am thinking. Because students, they are struggling in the math concepts, that's true. But along with that, they're struggling with the writing concepts also. Similarly, explain them the concepts of the shape quests. So in this, you can ask them to make the shape detective. Embark on the shape field quest where characters search for the hidden treasures. Or solve the mysteries by identifying the using different shapes. They can take a readers on a thrilling investigations where they have to spot and identify shapes in the these types of stories. You have to help the students as per their age, as per their grade wise. Now concept of the brain teasers are there. I hope the concept of tales are clear. Thank you, Sonia ma'am. Tricks and tales, comfortable with this? Going to inculcate in your classes? Encouraging the students for that? Thank you. Thank you for giving me such a great response. Now come the concepts of the brain teasers. Because we want the students to learn the math in a fun way. So we have to inculcate everything in a different way. Let them enjoy in the class. If they are not ready to do the thing at the moment, change the situation. Come to the point of the tricks, tales, or a group discussion. Even the students of the kindergarten or the students of the grade 5 or 10 or 12. Everyone is a student and they all need our love and affection. Now, a great teaser for everyone, using addition and eights to get the number thousands. Thank you, ma'am. Now let me know. Answer for this. Waiting for your answer. Using only addition and 8 eights to get the number 1000. Anyone? I'm waiting for just 1 minute, then I'll move to the forward. Yes, ma'am. Show me. What's it? That's great. Perfect. So it is 888 plus 88 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Gives you the result 1000. How is it? Yes, yes, perfect. Either way you can use. Very true. Let's go for another. When does 9 plus 5 equals to 2? Any guesses? When does 9 plus 5 equals to 2? Yes, very true, Krishna ma'am. How is it? It's a concept of time. How is it? Perfect. Let me show everyone. When you are telling the time, yes, 9 plus 5 hours equals to 2. Thank you. Okay. Now, let me know. Use the number 2, 3, 4, and 5 and the symbols plus and equals to. Make a true statement equation. How is it? Anyone? Perfect, perfect. Very true, very true. That's really correct. Let me show to everyone. 2 plus 5 is equal to 3 plus 4. So we are making it equal to the 7. Perfect. 5 minus 4 plus 2 is equal to 3. That's also correct. Now let's move to the A plus B plus C equals to D and A times B times C equals to D. Now what numbers make these two equations true? One, two, three, six. Okay. Anyone? Perfect. So everyone is perfect. Perfect, Kusuma. Everyone is able to understand it. This is really a known one teasers to everyone. Perfect. Okay. Now till now we are working upon it, that how it is all the teens teasers and there is tricks, tales and teasers. Perfect, ma'am. So before now let us explore the core package offered with our E&F method designed to provide a strong foundation in the mathematics. Before starting to this, I just want to share my small story that which enforces me to start this particular program and everything. So are you ready? Are you with me to hear the story? Thank you, Meenakshi ma'am. Thank you. So I have a deep passion for mathematics that stems from my own personal journey. When I was in grade 10, I faced significant challenges with mathematics. But unfortunately, my parents couldn't afford to enroll me in tuition classes due to financial constraints. However, with the unwavering support of my school teacher, I preserved and prepared for my board exams in 1991. After the exam, I was filled with uncertainty and shed tears. And that's really true because I was unsure if I would pass or not. But by the grace of God, I managed to succeed. A remarkable twist occurred when my first student, my neighbor, sought my help to clear the compartment exam after I had passed my own board exam. Through my guidance, she not only passed but excelled in her exams. And this experience sparked a fire within me. And in the grade 11, I started offering mathematics tuitions from grade 1 to grade 10. Throughout my teaching career, I have had the privilege of instructing thousands of students. Many of them initially believed they were incapable of achieving success in mathematics. However, with a combination of their hard work, the grace of God, and my knowledge and experience, we proved everyone wrong, defying the expectations placed upon them. So it was truly gratifying to witness these backbenchers thrive and excel. Thanks, Sarika ma'am. That's really true that who help themselves, God will also help them. Very true, Kusum ma'am, that ordinary students with extra care become extraordinary students. That's perfectly true. They need our little bit support. They are the backbenchers. They were the backbenchers. Why? Because the teachers or the educators, those who, I'm sorry to say, those who are having a short of temper or the patience, they are not ready to take those students into their bucket. Very true. Practice makes a man perfect. So the sense of accomplishment and satisfaction I derive from my online math courses is immeasurable. Knowing that I have created something that has positively impacted others, fills me with immense pride. The support and positive feedback I have received from my students further fuel my gratitude and motivation. I am determined to continue refining and expanding my course, ensuring that even more individuals can access and benefit from the knowledge and expertise I have to offer. So after hearing my connecting life with subject, maths becomes VFS subject, perfectly true. This is the what we have to do in our running scenarios. We have to help the students in each and every way. We have to connect them with the real life examples, with the tricks, tales, teasers, with the board games, with everything that they need to cover up. So after hearing my journey, I would love to hear from all of you. Has there been a significant turning point or a moment in your education journey that inspired you to pursue a particular subject or a career path? Anyone who want to share their story and reflections with us? Thank you, ma'am. Within a 1 minute, if there is anyone who wants to share, you can just unmute yourself and share your story. Very good. After 8 years, my education. Okay, that's great, Sarika ma'am. We have to explain it as a real life activity, not as a subject. Very true. Very true. Math is everywhere, and it is really a real life concept. We can explain them the concepts in different ways. So the mission for me to start up this webinar is to empower more than 100,000 lives of the educators with effective strategies and tools to teach math without tears and fear using the E&F method. Our aim is to help educators create an inclusive and engaging learning environment where students can overcome math anxiety, build confidence, and develop a strong foundation in the mathematics. So together, we strive to transform math education and unlock the potential of every student. Are you with me? So what I have included in this particular is there, I'm just preparing the course that is in which we are having the extensive foundational math learning, chapter-wise mind maps, which are there in front of you on the screen, providing these mind maps from grade 6 to 10 onwards, then 6 onwards to grade 10, solving word problems, conceptual understanding of the concepts, practice material worksheets chapter-wise, assessments chapter-wise, exploring real-life subject applications of the math, and high-order thinking questions. These all will help the students to make the practice perfect. Now let's a glimpse into some of the enriching components including in our course. The concepts which I'm sharing is the divisibility concepts. That's really true, sir, Kusuma. Very good. Congratulations. Perfect. So I just try to explain the concepts in a simple way. This is the divisibility test. And in this, we will explain the concept, what divisibility is there. So who is there behind the divisibility test? So Martin Gardner is a famous writer who talked about the math and science. So he wrote an article in the 1962 in a magazine called the Scientific American. So the purpose of this type of concepts are there. They come to know that from where the basic it is there. Then I am trying to give them the conceptual understanding of divisibility of test by giving them the rules with the examples. Suppose the number is divisible by 2. So if it is even, so 154 is divisible by 2 because its last digit is 4, which is even. Same way, we are using the divisibility rules for each and every number till 11. The number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. So you have to add, show them, the students add all of them. Your result will become 27, which is divisible by 9. Now, rule for divisibility for 11 are different. So I'll explain them with the help of the other concepts. Let's move to the next one. Concepts of prime factorization. These are the simple ways we can help the students to understand the concepts in an easy and a fun way. What the E and F method is there, you can consider it as an easy and fun way or enthusiastic and fun way. So this is there in the prime factorization. We know that we need the concept of prime numbers and composite numbers. So explain them the purpose of what is a prime number. Explain them with the help of the examples. Similarly, what is the composite numbers? Then explain them the concepts of the prime factorization through the help of the prime factorization concept, that is breaking down of the composite number into the prime factorization numbers. So these are the simple procedures. Then explain the prime factorization with the factor tree. And with that also you have to explain some tips to the students that do not include 1 as a factor, since it is neither a prime or a composite number. And each number has only one set of prime numbers. So we have to explain the things in such a simple way to the students so that they will not be suffer with that. With this, I'm just giving you the concepts of the NCERT questions also. Yes, I'll definitely give you the activity for the prime factorization also, dear. That's really great, Smrita ma'am, if you're doing same thing in your class. That's really perfect and the correct way. Now we know this is the NCERT chapter 1 for grade 6 if you are a grade 6 teacher. So I just try to give everything from chapter first, exercise 1.1, 1.2 till the exercise last, along with the very short answer questions and hot questions. So that the student won't feel stuck, and you can give them these sheets for the time of the practice also during the examinations. So short answer type, long answer type questions, even the hot questions will be there. Apart from that, I am giving you the instructional copy also. Definitely, Isha ma'am, I'll share the stories for grade 3 and 4 also. Now in this, you will get the answer for this particular sheet. The chapter 1, it is there. Along with the NCERT curriculum, you will get the curriculum for the worksheets on different curriculums also. So that student will understand the concept, and being a parent or being a tutor or being an educator, you won't feel stuck that how to explain the concept. So you will be able to explain and you will check the step of their workings on it so that they will be not stuck anywhere what exactly it is there. The main thing what I have given you is there is the assessments in the form of the MCQs, and that too on the Google Forms. The student will be able to solve these quiz before the examination, before night, and they will be able to understand and they will get the result very soon, immediately after submission, the perfect is there. And this is the way I am sharing the tricks, tales, and teasers with the students in the class. Some of the examples are there. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, I am preparing. I have just prepared these things. Just wait till the end. I share everything. Now, in the tricks and teasers, we can help them, the students, to go for the crosswords. You can give them any concept on it. Yes, ma'am, these assessment sheets are available for all grades, from grade KG to grade 10. I am not preparing the curriculum for grade 11 and 12, but grade 10, I'll be there for you. So in this way, you can help the students to go for the math crosswords. And this is the simple way. That is, I have just prepared this particular trick on the popsicles to let them student understand the concept and playway method. I am providing these things to you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I'm always with you. I need your support because I just found it. I'm just a founder of this particular, and I just want to share the things with me. Yes, Nitya, ma'am, what do you want to say? You have raised your hand. You can unmute yourself and ask your query. So, when starting with this, you can, yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, will we get all these things?
Yes, I'll show you. I'll explain you how you will get all these things. Kindly
Okay,
wait for
thank you.
kindly wait for last till last. Okay.
Thank you.
Now, welcome. So the concept is there. First of all, we start with double of 9. We just prepare this. It takes only 5 to 10 minutes from preparing this particular one game. It is there. So then jumbled it up. Place it in a cup or anywhere, or just spread it on the table and ask the student to take up a stick, check it out from where you have to start. Now they have to go for double of 9. What is the double of 9? We know it's 18. Now the student have to search the stick for the 18, popsicle stick for 18. Now he have to understand the next frame. It is there. 1/3 of 12. Concept of fraction is there. What is 1/3 of 12? Thank you. Thank you very much. That's really great that you like this Tambola games in their school. That's really need of our dear. We want to help the students in different ways. And yes, true, they enjoy. While I am preparing these games with the students, I have ample of games with them. So in this, they can understand. Now 1/3 of 12 is there, concept of fraction is there, and the multiplication is there. From there, now they come to know 9 5 times. Concept of multiplication is there. 36 in groups of 6. Division is there. 8 tripled 3 times. Very good. I got a new concept. That's great. Good. Isha ma'am, that's really great. So in this way, we can help the students to go for it. Next is the domino math. Have you heard about this? Anyone? What is domino math? These are the small domino cards. We have to. That's great, Revita ma'am. Sorry, dears, we are just again into the left with 10 minutes in the meeting. Again, you can rejoin and we will finish it soon. Let's me continue with this for 10 minutes. Then we will rejoin with the next session. So in domino math, we are going to play the make small cards. Dominoes means with the one side 1 to 10, whatever numbers you want to then you can help the students to do it with the help of the addition concept, subtraction concepts, or you can ask them to choose your own while using both the concepts also, while taking 2 dominoes at a time. So this is the small concept I am saying. Used for addition probability. Yes, very true. That's perfect. And this is the worksheet for the fractions and additions. Let me show you what is it. So along with that assessments in the form of the Google Forms, you will be get the assessment to do it in the class also. That Google Forms will be there to practice it before 1 day or 2 days. And this is in the regular class. You can explain this concept. You can give them the time of 45 minutes and let them solve the questions in each and every pattern. MCQs are there. Then problem solvings are there with the 5 marks, with the 3 marks, and they will be understand with 2 marks also, 5 marks, and they will have to cover up these assessments within a time frame. So I'll try to give the worksheets with this for each and every chapter. My motto is to help the students to understand every concept in an easy and fun way. Next is the worksheets on the HCF and the LCM. Thank you, Sunita ma'am. Now this is the worksheets for the concepts of highest common factor and the lowest common multiples. So I'm just giving it, and I'm trying to give ample of material so that student will not stuck somewhere. They will use a different approaches and let them to explain the concepts in a simple way. Answer the following questions on the basis of the LCMs. Different concepts are there. Questions are in different formats, so they can understand. Can the LCM of two numbers be equal to the one of the numbers? What is the LCM of two consecutive numbers? So in this way, the concepts are in a very different and unique way, so that in the during the board examinations, they won't stuck anywhere into the class or appearing into the examination. So I am having now two choice questions with you. When it comes to nurturing your child's math skills, overcoming math phobia is crucial to foster a positive attitude towards the subjects. In this context, I firmly believe that investing in an online math course can be highly beneficial, and such a course can provide additional support, guidance, and specialized techniques designed to help children conquer their fear of math and build confidence in their abilities. And if you are willing to invest time and money into an online math course that has proven track record of helping students overcome math phobia, you are taking a proactive approach to your child's education. By doing so, you are acknowledging the significance of addressing math phobia and actively seeking a solution to empower your child's mathematical growth. On the other hand, if you choose to continue with the current approach to math education without additional intervention, it may be a challenging to address and elevate your child's math phobia effectively. So math phobia can hinder their learning potential and hinder their overall academic progress. So as an advocate for helping children learn math without tears and fears, my mission is to positively impact the lives of millions of children, and that too within a time frame of just 12 weeks for a grade. And by providing comprehensive online math courses, I am to equip children with the tools and strategies they need to overcome their math phobia, build a strong foundation in mathematics, and develop a lifelong love for the subject. So just share your views, how the concept is there. Anyone who want to share their suggestions? We left with only just few minutes, so I'll just start with the new session once again to continue with the conversation. Till now, I just want to hear from your side. What's your experience? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone, for sharing your views. Anyone who want to share their own experience, you just unmute yourself and you can share your views. Yes, it's better to prove. Ma'am, I am providing you to give you the videos also for the particular lectures where you need the concepts for the students to explain it. Providing you with the PDFs, providing you with the worksheets, providing you with a great surprise for you in the next session, which I have created a jackpot for the students. Thank you very much for your lovely suggestions and the ways you're thinking for me. I'm really feeling great. From the last 1 year, I'm just working on this particular field only to help the students to overcome the fear of math. Because during the pandemic, they are really they're struggling too hard and no one is there to help them out. Even the parents or the tutors, educators, they want to help them, but they are not in a position to help them. They are not having such a great resources to cover them with the concepts and everything. Thank you. I am always with you. I just want to wind up this session and I'm just starting with the new session. So please rejoin the session. Yes, that's true. They went back to 2 years. And only those who are the students, those who are in the grade, they have the confidence. They are just 2 years back, but more of them, those who are really need the more support, we call them as a strugglers or the backbenchers. They are 4 years back. Isn't it? We have to help them to cover their previous concepts also. Yes, that's very true. That's true. Very true. We are here to make them heroes from zeros. Very true, Kusuma ma'am. So I'm just ending this session and rejoin immediately with this. Thank you. Now here is a time of action. Welcome once again. And we all know action is the foundational key to all success. Now this is the core package which I am going to deliver with those who want to shake hand with me. That is the conceptual foundation learning mathematics in the form of the worksheet. Give me a second. Give me a second. That is in the form of the worksheets. Then mind maps from the grade 6 onwards and till grade 5, you will get the lesson plans. And then solve the word problems. That is acing the academics is there. Then comes your I hope the screen is visible to everyone. Please reply. Anyone? Is the screen visible? Okay, thank you. So we have the foundational math learning conceptual worksheets are there. Mind maps are there in the form of the PDFs for the students of grade 6 to 10 and lesson plans from the grade students from 1 to 5. Or I can provide the lesson plans also till grade 10 also for each chapter. And then solve the word problems in the form of the PDF you will get, conceptual understanding of the concept that is in the form of the presentation and the worksheets both, practice material worksheets chapter wise, concept understanding of the concepts through the math board games, tricks, story narratives that is the tales, riddles, brain teasers, whatever I have just shared with you in the class in the session, we will provide everything to learn the concepts in a fun way. It is in the form of the video tutorials. I'm going to prepare the videos for them and explain the real life application of math, high order thinking questions, solve the mental math problems for the kids, and assessment was chapter wise. So this all concepts are there, trying to cover up everything for each chapter of each grade, from grade KG to grade 10. Are you all interested to know more about it?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So now that you have discovered the incredible benefits of mathematics, and it's time to take action now, we are offering an exclusive opportunity to enroll in our course today. And the value for the course is 15,000. Who all are there with me with this? Who all want the course? I'm having the great bonuses for you, which I have told you to stay with me till end. Let me show who all with me. Then I'll give you the benefits for that also. A great opportunity to earn the rewards and the bonuses. You can give me the reply in the my personal window also if you want to share. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Don't worry. The course is not for the 15,000. It is for 7,999. Now who all are with me? Thanks, Kusuma ma'am, Amrinder ma'am. Who all are with me? Okay. Now, in addition to the comprehensive core package, we have some incredible bonuses for you. Ready to explore? Yes, everyone? We are having the primary math dictionary for the kids. As a bonus, you will receive a primary math dictionary for the kids. This invaluable resource will empower your students with clear explanations, definitions, and examples of the key math terms, adding their understanding and confidence. Just have a glance for that. And you will get every material in the form of PDF for this in your classwork, Google Classroom. If you are comfortable to work with that, it's good. Otherwise, I'm there to help you out, to guide you about that also. In this way, you are getting the material for every class, chapter wise, topic wise. Those who are already my students, they are using it. Now let's see what's the math dictionary it is. And this is wholly created by me. In this, I just try to focus it on the resources that contains to help the students taught in the primary or elementary school, the concepts of the greater than or less than, then the concepts of the clock, 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock, about the shapes. Then from there, after from A to Z, you will get everything in it. More than 100 terms are there. Abacus, addend, addition, angles, anti-clockwise, arrow cards, arm of angle. What do you understand by this? What do you understand? Ascending order. Then what is average? What do you understand by base in geometry? Base of 10 blocks. What do you understand? Billion. Calculate. Calendar. Concept of calendar. You can explain them. What is the difference between the leap year and the normal year? Regular year. Then the student can visualize themselves. If they are able to understand, they can understand how exactly it works. The properties of composites. What is the concept of day and night? Divide, division is there, divisible is there, equal, even number, half, hand span, which I have told you during the session for the measurement. You can explain the concept of the fractions also. It is used as a non-standard unit of measurement for length. That is the hand span. You can explain it to them. What is height? What is the Hindu Arabic number? I'll try my level best to give everything under this. Still, if anyone wants me to edit it or reframe it, I'll there to give you that concepts also. What do you understand by leap year? Measurement, midnight, milligram, milliliter. Now this is what about the place value, about the clock, about the multiples. What is the unit fraction in which we have only the 1 in the numerator? 3D values, volume, whole numbers. And this is the concept of 0. Now let me know your views regarding this, how you like it. Thank you, Kusuma. That's really great. Now the next concept I am having is, let me show you. Thank you, ma'am. Hands-on math activities. Now in this, what we will give it to the students for that. My main focus is, my main mission is just to help the students to overcome the fear of maths, nothing else. Now this is the hands-on activities for the students. We can give them the scavenger hunt, math scavenger hunt. I know maximum educators, they know about it. Being this is a program for the educators and the parents, so they all will be easily cover up the concept for that. So we can how to go for this activity. So I'll provide each and everything step by step. So what will be the procedure to go for the activities there? They have to prepare the scavenger hunt first of all. Then they have to write down the rules for it. They have to explain the rules to the students. Then they have to start the scavenger hunt and then monitor and assist how to work for that, how to celebrate the winners when they win the game. Because students, they need the appreciation also. They need your support. And I know that everyone is with me in this particular concept, that everyone needs motivation. Even me, you, everyone in the world, they needs motivation. Someone will be there at their back to pat them back. The students, they are the strugglers. They really need the help from our side. Then the real world math challenges are there. In this, we can explain them the real life experience, that is how to plan a school field trip. So they will be objective for that is there to explain the math skills, budgeting, including the budgeting, calculating the distances, organizing the transportation. You can explain them the concepts for using this particular event. So you will get everything step by step for these particular hands-on activities. Apart from that, this is again a great thing, that is the story handbooks, which I am providing you the links for that. The students grade wise, they will get the storybooks to just enhance their reading skills, because they are facing the problems in understanding the word problems. Mathematics and math magics. Thank you, ma'am. Let us change it. Thank you. So you have to help the students in each and every possible way. Math magic is really a great thing, that we, if this, because mathematics is the base of everything. In their real life, in their daily routine, they need the support and they have to think for everything. I think due to some network issues, it's just taking a time. Give me a second. How was the session for everyone? So this is for the grade 6 I'm preparing. Just show me. Thank you, ma'am. Just show you the concept of the story books, what I am providing you through this. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now let me show you the concept of this thing. You will get the PDF links for the storybooks for grade wise only. This is the great stories by a renowned authors only. This is by the Ruskin Bond, and they will read the stories and they will come to know the actual way of reading it, and it will help them to understand the concepts easily. And with this, they can create their own mathematical stories also. Yes, it is for the grade wise only. Nithya ma'am, I am providing you everything grade wise. Grade wise, grade 1 get the different material, grade KG will get the different material. From grade KG to grade 10, preparing every different content for grade wise. And for your information, I am already having 20 plus students in this curriculum, in this program with me. Those who are taking the benefit of it, and they are really helping the students in a great way. So this is the concepts of the math stories. Let me show if something else is there to help you out. So this is the what we are providing you in this. Now the concept is, who all are with me? In the bonuses, you will get the math primary dictionary Thank you, Kusuma ma'am. In the PDF form, you will get the math formula worksheets also, grade wise in the form of the worksheet, hands-on math activities worksheets, logical and reasoning thinking, critical thinking skills in the worksheet. Apart from that, video tutorials for Vedic math concepts and finger abacus concepts. Being myself is also a Vedic math and a abacus trainer also, and in storybooks. And the jackpot for that is the course is not for the 15,000. This program is not for 7,999. Any guesses? You are with me? Yes, I will provide you the lesson plans for primary classes, different wise, different chapter wise, grade wise. Who all are with me? Nisha ma'am is with me. Kusum ma'am is with me. Sonia ma'am is with me. I don't know whose name is this from the Realm C15. Komal ma'am is with me. Thank you. Revati ma'am is with me. The course is for 4,999. Now the way for paying for this is this course value is till today only. If you want to do, I'm sharing the link in the chat box. Those who want to pay for that, they are just click onto it and pay for it. Are you interested? Are you ready for that? Now you can share your views with that. This is a takeaway. The link is in the chat box. Let me show who all are with me right now. I'll just share everything with you. Don't worry for that. If apart from this also, if any link is shared in the group, ma'am. If anyone who wants the extra material apart from this, I'll there to help them out. This is the course which I'm going to, being it is in a pre-launch phase, so you will get maximum material for that. By implementing the E&F method and adopting the practical strategies, tutors and parents, they can transform the teaching learning experience of the mathematics, making it engaging, enjoyable, and free from the fear and the tears. Ma'am, it's not possible to share the tricks and PDFs for tricks and this. You have to purchase the course. Ma'am, it's there in the group which we have joined the link. I shared the Zoom link in there, Kusum ma'am. Just check it out. Yes, I'm sharing the feedback link also. I love to work with all the educators. Thank you, Kusuma ma'am. I love to work with all of you, those who are with me and those who want me to help everyone to make the students happy in doing this. Again, the feedback form is also in the chat box. Please check it out there. I hope you all get it there. Thanks to all of you. Link is shared in the group, sir. You can check it out there. If there is anyone who wants to discuss anything regarding the course or any other thing, please unmute yourself and discuss with me. I am there to help you out. Yes, Isha ma'am, is there query from your end? Link is shared, dear. Check it out in the math in the group where I've shared the Zoom link. No one is getting the links there.
No, ma'am. In group it is there.
It's in the group.
Yes, in the group.
In the group I have shared it. You want me into the?
Yes.
You want me to share
I
it in
have a
the?
small doubt, ma'am.
Yeah,
Here one
sure.
question. The webinar was of high quality. They have
Yeah.
given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means one is which one we should select? Either 1 or 5.
It's all. Great. It's up to you. The 1 is for the least one, and the 5 is for the least, and the 5 one is the upper one. So it's all up to you. Whether
that
you
one I want. What is the least and highest according to your
least? Least is the 1, highest is the 5.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, you will get the certificates also. Those who want the certificates, just let me know. We will share the certificates to them also. I have shared the Zoom link in the feedback form in the link also, and I'm sharing the link for the. Nobody, you just let me know. I'll just share the certificates for you also. I'll just share the link for the certificates. Good, good, good. We will provide, don't worry. You will get the certificate. We are working under the portal of All India Educator Former, so you will get the certificates from there. I've shared the payment link for you. Those who want to purchase the course right now, they just click onto it. It is in the Zoom group also. Any query from your end? We will share the link for the certificates also. You can fill that form and you will get the certificates for that. Don't worry for that. Yes, you can. You all are free now. You can share. Thank you everyone for all. Thank you all for joining us today. Embrace the E&F method and transform the way you teach mathematics. Together, we can create a generation of confidence and enthusiastic math learners. Enroll today and witness the magic of math without tears and fears. Thank you so much, ma'am. Kindly share me the grade you want the curriculum for which grade. Thank you very much. Who all wants to pay? Anyone who want to pay, who want to purchase a course right now with this amount, just let me know. Grade 10. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks, everyone. You can leave now. Thank you very much for your valuable time, support. Anyone who want to share the next session, next topic for the session? I'm planning to arrange another session within a week. Who wants the next session? If you want anyone, thank you, ma'am. Which topic do you want? Just let me know. Rame ma'am, I will share you. You will get the link for certificate in group itself.
Ma'am,
Yes.
next session, I'm expecting the types of questions because now we have to add the, according to CBSE norms, we should give the question paper application based, right?
Okay.
So for primary level, how can we add? Because in each class, all the levels of students are there. So
Perfect.
keeping them in our mind, we have to prepare a question paper. So
That's
how can we?
That's really true. I'll just help you out. You just message. I just in the feedback form there is a column where I just ask.
I'm filling, madam. I'm
Yeah.
filling.
Thank you. How can we use
Okay,
AI in
thank you,
maths?
ma'am.
Definitely, Kusum ma'am. I'll try. I'll
Okay.
try.
Thank you.
Welcome. Solving high school sums by using shortcut methods. Okay. Any other suggestions? Multiplication tricks for greater numbers. Yes, we have all these tricks in the Vedic math. I'll share. I'll just try to cover these concepts also. Fractions in primary classes, great example. In the webinars, you will get a simple small clues regarding that. But if you will purchase the course, you will get these things in detail. Yeah, it's 2-digit by 2-digit. Perfect. I'll explain it. This is the concept of Vedic math. It is there that if you get the sum of 2 digits in the ones place is 10. What is 7 times 3? It's 21, and we have the same number on the tens place. So just add 1 and multiply both. 7 times 8. So you get the answer 56. So your result is 5621. Isn't it a great?
Yes.
So this is the way we are working on it. So just have faith on me. Kusumam, thanks for showing faith on me. I'll deliver more than your value. Whatever you are paying to me, I deliver more than, and this is not what I'm giving you in just in a one go. You will get for the whole year. Till your March 2024, I just trying to put up everything in the curriculum. Those who are showing faith with me, I'm really thank you for all of those. Being an educator, being a parent also, ma'am, the course for each class is 4,999. Whether you want to purchase for the grade KG, for grade 1, grade 7, it is for there. Yes, it is required to register for next session. I'll share the link for that also. I'll just trying to explain everything in the sessions. Apart from that, if you want more than that, you will have to purchase the curriculum program. If you are not in a position right now to pay the full amount and you want to purchase it, let me know. I'll share I'll help you out in other way. Anyone? We are just left with only 5 minutes. Anyone who want to purchase, I'll share the other way to them. Okay. Maheshwari ma'am is there for grade 7. So I'm just sharing the link to lock down this program right now. You have to pay 2,000 right now, 1,999, and rest you can pay after a month. No worries. I'm there to help each and every educator, just to help the students to cover up these concepts. And please ensure this link will be expire within an hour. So please, those who want to purchase, with both the links are there, either for the lockdown payment or for the direct payment. I'm sharing both of them into the group as well as in the chat box. And I request everyone to please share your views in the group also, so that those who can miss it, they will get the chance to learn. Share your learnings with me. You will get the certificate definitely. You will get the link in the group by tomorrow. Don't worry about that. And I am not going to close this group. It will be remain open so that you will get every message for every webinar. I am trying to conduct one session per week. Maheshwari ma'am, you can unlock the payment. You can click onto the link for 1,999 if you want to hold this post for this. Anyone else you want to join the program? Showing faith to me. You will get everything for whole year per grade. Don't worry for that. You will get the tricks for each chapter. You will get the tales for each chapter. You will get the teasers for each chapter. Maybe 2 to 3 questions or 4 to 5 questions. You will get the application based questions for that. Everything is there. You will get the maze questions also. Thanks everyone for showing your interest. Bye-bye to all of you. See you in the next session. If there is any query, please ask me. You are free to ask. We left with only last 1 minute. Thank you, Kusum ma'am. Bye-bye. Definitely you will get by tomorrow, Abhishek sir. Hani ma'am, you will get it by tomorrow. Thank you, Anita ma'am, for showing faith to me. Lovely session. Great educators with me. Bye-bye. I'm going to end the call. Bye to everyone. Bye.